Okay, here we are. This is above the Bear and Larrabee campsite. There you go. So this is the aerial view from pretty high up. You got the road that you come along, and then the road you drive up to get to there. From way up here, it looks pretty flat. It is not. So let's see. Let's fly over here. Hold on a second. I'm gonna spin around. Spin, spin, spin. Try not to do it too fast because it makes people nauseated. There you go. A little better angle. So, oh, and you can just above where our trailer is, you can see the big pine trees, and then there's a dead pine tree that fell over. It actually fell over this winter. But there's an old four-wheeler trail over there on the right-hand side. We've got new neighbors that they've been cutting in quite a lot of stuff on their property. So it's been interesting to see all the changes. We've had our spot for since 2015. Some of these people, like, well, you got a couple people who have cabins. But this is looking towards the east. You've got what's called Skyline Drive. Still a lot of snow on the mountains over there. And this is in what's called a dry subdivision. There's no power, there's no water, it's subdivided out into different plots. They actually did it back in the 70s. And there was supposed to be, well, so right dead middle in the screen, there's what was supposed to be a ski lodge and a ski run, a ski lift. That didn't work out. There's just ruins over there, which are actually really cool. Here you've got, that's Fairview, Utah, in the middle of the screen. Go over a bit over here, and that is Mount Pleasant, Utah. So, and you've got, that's, what's it called? Ephraim, Utah is over there. Let me get back over my area so I'm not freaking out the people underneath me anymore. So, let's come over here a bit. Fly, fly, fly. The kids are playing box ball off in the corner. You can hear them. It's a lot like air hockey, but with axe handles. It's kind of funny. Let's see if I can get in here tight without running into stuff. Okay, so hey, there's our tracks from when we drove in last night. Got the gate, and here you go. There's the sign. Let's see. So we, one of my friends who has access to a plasma cutter, did that for us. Oh, we're $11.71. Okay. And it's stainless steel on the front, regular steel on the back. We've got our cool gates that we lock up. Let's see how well I can do this flight. You guys ready for this? This is why I'm not a professional drone pilot. I think Sam's mad about stuff. Hey, look, I'm right there in the middle of the frame. And there's me. There's the Keto Chow truck. This is kind of interesting. This right here, that is our solar-powered potty house. It's got a composting toilet in there. And a urinal. And there's Boxball. I guess everybody's done. Oh, man. Okay. We got a go-kart a little while ago. 2 years ago, I think. It needs an oil change and stuff like that. You got the old truck trailer over there. That's where the Larrabees hang out. And we do have a couple of pretty nice pine trees. And it's nice to have this storage container because we can, put the go-kart and stuff in it and just leave it up here for the winter. All right, I'm above that guy now. So there you go. This is where we're camping this weekend. Oh, I want to see if allegedly these develop cracks, the skylights on the trailer. So rather than climbing up there, I am simply going to fly my drone over it and see if they have any cracks. Looks okay. See, let's look at the other one. That one looks pretty good too. Okay. Well, there you go. So, I think we're going to drive down to Mount Pleasant, and we need to get some propane, some cinder blocks, a couple things like that. It's like no matter what you do, you always find out stuff that you need. And you're like, oh yeah, we forgot that. So, all right, one last shot, super high up. Yeah, there's been a lot of work done on the pads around here lately. But the old timers that have their cabins here for the last 10 years are like, this was such a nice place before all these other people started coming in. And right there in the middle of the screen is where the nearest cell tower is. So, kind of interesting stuff. Well, I think it's about time for I'm going to get the time to go home warning, so catch you later.